Let's start our new unit, Unit 13, Observatory. What's the meaning of observatory? Observatory, it means the place. It's the place where scientists watch the stars and the planets in our galaxy and do research on them. Let's study this vocabulary. Solar system. Solar system contains the planets of our galaxy. Planetarium. The planetarium is the place where we can go to watch the stars, the comets, the planets in our galaxy. Look here, there is audience watching as if it's a screen of a cinema. The scientists need a telescope in order to watch the stars or the planets in the space. Telescope. What is this bright thing? It's a shooting star. We usually see it when the sky is clear. We can see a shooting star, and it is a burning stone which moves very fast and disappear because of the heat. The moon. This is our moon, or the moon of the earth. But that one, or those ones are the moons of Mars. The sun, look at it, it's very hot. It's unbearable. No one could bears the heat of the sun. Okay, let's start. It's your turn to match the meaning with the definition or the sentence. And the second exercise you have to complete with the word. Okay, start this exercise again. Let's introduce the language roots. Here, the word or the verb include and contain. What's the difference between both? Include, you are talking about separate part. For example, if I say, does the trip include the lunch? So the lunch is something extra from the base. Contain, when I say, does this? Juice contain fats or sugar or calories, whatever, so contain something inside. Let's read the sentences. Our solar system includes the sun and some planets. The bag contains a lot of books. Three of the planets are smaller than the Earth. Many of the other moons are different in shape. Fall onto the Earth. Some of the comets or the burning stars fall onto the Earth. Shine on. When the sun shines on Earth, it gets hotter. It freezes at around minus 153 degrees. A star is made of gas. observatory, I use the telescope at the observatory. So add before the place. 100 kilometers per hour. The Earth turns around the Sun at 100,000 kilometers an hour. Or I can say 100,000 kilometers per hour instead of an. Your turn. Answer these two exercises. Answer these two exercises. And then the language function here. How to make a polite request. Could you please explain it to me? Or could you please explain it to me why we feel cold, for example, when there is no sun? I wonder if you could tell me I use this expression just to make it more polite. What a star is made of? I'd like to know if you like your job. So this is how to ask, but in a very polite way, without, we can say, insult the other or make the other feels not comfortable. Do you think we could come and see the observatory one day? Do you think we could? So this is another way to introduce or to make a request. Your turn. Answer this exercise. Thank you, my dear students.